Hello, TV enthusiasts! Ever settled in for a cozy night of binge watching, only to be interrupted by your Sony TV blinking red light 3 times? Don't fret. In today's guide, we'll dive into how to fix this common issue and get you back to your favorite shows in no time. Understanding the blinking red light. Before diving into the solutions, it's important to understand what this blinking light means. When your Sony TV blinks red 3 times, it indicates a malfunction or a protective measure activated to prevent further damage. This is usually a hardware issue, possibly related to the power supply or internal components. Step 1. Power reset your TV. The first step in troubleshooting any electronic issue is a simple restart. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and allow it to sit for about a minute. This ensures any residual power is drained. After waiting, plug it back in and turn it on. Often, a power reset resolves temporary glitches, causing the red light to blink. Step 2. Check for overheating. Another common culprit could be overheating. Make sure your TV is well ventilated. Inspect the ventilation holes and ensure they are not blocked by dust or objects. If the TV feels hot to the touch, turn it off and let it cool down for at least 20 to 30 minutes before attempting to turn it back on. Step 3. Examine the HDMI and connected devices. Sometimes connected devices can cause issues. Disconnect all HDMI cables and other connected devices. Power on the TV to see if the red light persists. If the problem is resolved after disconnecting, reconnect devices one at a time to identify which one might be causing the issue. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If none of the above steps work, performing a factory reset might do the trick. Keep in mind that this will revert your TV to its original settings, so you'll have to set everything up again. On the Sony remote, press the Home button, navigate to Settings, select System Settings, and choose Customer Support. Here you'll find the Factory Settings option to proceed with the reset. Ensure your settings and personal data are backed up if needed. Step 5. Check for firmware updates. Outdated software can sometimes lead to unexplained issues. Go to Settings, select System Software Update, and follow the prompts to check for any available updates. If an update is available, make sure your TV is connected to the internet and proceed with the installation to potentially resolve the issue. Step 6. Consult Sony support or a professional. If your TV continues to blink red even after trying all these steps, it might be time to reach out to Sony's customer support or consult a professional technician. They can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting or arrange for repairs if necessary. There you have it, a complete guide on how to fix a Sony TV blinking red light 3 times. With a little patience and these troubleshooting steps, you can diagnose and often solve the problem right from the comfort of your home. Remember, safety first. Ensure everything is powered down before attempting any fixes, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if the issue persists. Happy viewing, and may your TV troubles be a thing of the past.